Madam will not allow. She is allowing up to 11:30. बाकी लोगों को बता दीजिए ये ठीक है One answer we got, you just please verify.
This square, this is 1 square, 2, 3 and 4 of side.
This is what here is Pythagoras. This is 5.
No, it will be a larger
5
one.
square. 25 plus 25 under root.
It will be a bigger square.
Bigger square. It is what under 50 ना?
Not of equal size.
लास्ट वाला चिपका नहीं था
हाँ
ना बोल रहे थे बेटा का
सर वो मेरे टाइम में आपकी डिस्प्ले नहीं किया सेकंड टेस्ट वाला
अरे जरूर था
Sir, it will be a bigger one.
5 by root 2 नहीं 5 by root नहीं है ना if this is 5 this is 5 what will be the entire side 5 After this lecture, we tried 2 days and finally we got the answer. One answer. Just, huh? Okay, you give answer later on. the answer what we found it out, you just verify whether it is correct. Anybody else is there? ये तो बाद में हो सकता है सर, मैं तो नहीं बोल रहा हाँ सर it may have several answers. This way it will do that if these two will join. This is what the center point of this lane, every lane center point is joining with the diagonal. So this will be the this is square number 1. This is 2. This will join 3. This is 4. So you try by wasting the paper. We have wasted so many paper, and the final cutting I have put it.
सर कटिंग कैसे भी कर सकता है आप?
Cutting कैसे straight line कैसे करें?
और वो सिंपल है इस तरह
हाँ
सिंपल और एक है
हाँ बताइए cutting कैसे भी कर सकते? Only the square must be the 5 equal square.
तो मैं क्या करता हूँ सबसे पहले मैं स्क्वायर का एक एरिया ले लेता हूँ कहीं पे बेचता है उसके अंदर अपन फिट करना कितना 100 का एरिया दिया है उसको 5 स्क्वायर पे दिया तो
उसको जोड़ देंगे.
मैं क्या करता हूँ मैं दूरी का ये तो एम्प्टी स्पेस है उसके अंदर मेरा कट करके इसके अंदर आना है स्क्वायर से each of 20 जो भी है स्क्वायर में ठीक है. अभी ये सेक्शन मेरा कार्डबोर्ड है 1 स्क्वायर इसको क्या करता हूँ मैं डिवाइड लाइक दिस तो कैसे भी कर सकते हो ना तो इसको पहले थोड़ा थोड़ा कर दो ना ऐसा मैंने जैसे कट कर दो बीच में एक रिबन आएगा दूसरा सिंगल रिबन
ओके
ओके 20 तक कट करो इसको
सपोज आप इसका साइड ले लीजिए 10 by 10
20 का है ना
जो भी है आप 10 by 10 मतलब इजी समझने के लिए हो जाएगा.
ये ऑलरेडी 10 by 10 हमने दिया
ओके
तो ये कितना हो गया
उल्टा जाओ ना, अभी आप उल्टा जा रहे हैं तो इसको 10 by 10 नहीं होगा, इसको छोटी होगा, इसको 10 by 10
10 by 10 दिया तो इसमें से मैं 10 लेता हूँ ऐसा 10 स्टेप के अंदर ये
So what we have to see that 10 by 10, so area of this is 100, 5 square, so 500. So 500 का पहले हमको साइड निकालना पड़ेगा.
तो मैं इसको कट कर लेता हूँ ना रिवर्स
हाँ,
तो इधर
चलेगा ओके that is correct. लेकिन कैसा वो आ रहा है क्या वो
आएगा बचेगा जो बचेगा समझो इधर का जो भी बचे वो इधर से स्टार्ट करता हूँ तो रिबन काउंटर
वही क्या बचेगा कहाँ से कैसा लगेगा
वो काट के साथ मैं बांट देता हूँ ना सब में
हाँ बात है ना, मैं तो कहता हूँ तो बराबर है.
I am going to divide this square into different elements. रिबन जैसे कर देता हूँ. I'm going just keep it like this. जैसे अपने को ये एरिया है तो टाइल्स लगाने को क्या करता है लाता है वो डिवाइड करो फॉरवर्ड करो तो अपने हिसाब से बांट के चले जाता है बट अपने को अभी इधर का डिसाइड हो गया कि ये टेबल
डायरी वाले में हमने फर्क क्या है कि बचा हुआ टुकड़ा है वो फेंक देता है, हमको फेंकना नहीं है.
ये एरिया ये एरिया से बराबर दोनों एरिया से है
वही तो कैसा लगा कि वो बताओ
काट के बराबर करेगा।
काट काट के लगा
ऐसे भी काटता है तो
you are getting square. No, that is also the correct answer, but we have to find it out that practicable.
कट करेंगे
क्योंकि देखिए अभी this is what 500 area, so 500 area complete square बनाना है. So 500 area, what should be the size? एक 500 पूरा कंप्लीट जो बड़ा एरिया बड़ा स्क्वायर है उसका एरिया वी हैव कंसीडर हियर 500. दिस एग्जांपल बाला सर का जो स्टाइल वाला एग्जांपल है 100 100 100 100 100. सो इट इज 500 एरिया. सो 500 एरिया का बड़ा स्क्वायर बनाना है तो उसका पहले डायमेंशन को डिसाइड कर ले. साइड कितना होगा?
4a equal to 500.
हाँ
A equal to 500 upon 4 is 10, 100.
100 कितना होगा? एरिया की बात कर रहे हैं. ये नहीं ठीक है. ड्यू टू लिमिटेशन ऑफ रिसोर्स नहीं है. आप पैरामीटर का बात कर रहे हैं. हाँ, पैरामीटर का
स्क्वायर के लिए आप पेरीमीटर लो और एरिया लो, फर्क नहीं पड़ता है.
कितना आएगा?
यहाँ पे लेगा ठीक है. ओके we'll try it later on due to the lack of resources हमारे पास इतना नहीं है. ओके ठीक है. कर लीजिए. अभी उन्होंने कट करके वेरीफाई कर लिया ये हो सकता है. There are multiple answers. So here intention, listen. Here intention is not to solve it, well, not to get the exact answer, but to develop the attitude for doing the creativity. Which is very simple example. When we will see that any square can be divided in any number of parts. In integration differentiation we are doing this, but we are doing it on the paper. But we have to cut the paper. So that way the intention is here to develop the creativity and the practical workable solution for the simple problems. So if we will do with it, you can have the different aspect for doing any problem. Sometimes the people will laugh at you. So if the people will laugh at you, that means you are in the correct way. If you are doing something the same way, what most of you may be aware that the Einstein has done the things that he has a cat and a small kid, so he has put two holes in a door. That one is for the cat, another is small one is for the small cat. But from which hole the cat goes, the other people, other cats are also going on the same way. That most of you are aware about that. So they are doing. So if you will do something and people will laugh at you, means you are in a correct way. After doing this thing repeatedly, something you will get afterwards. Okay. So that attitude we have to develop. That is what the creativity. This is what the simple comparison with the IQ. So people are talking much on the IQ. So this is again the example given by Professor Karmarkar in his lecture, that very high IQ person, he is the banker. This is what IQ 228 is a very high IQ, but he is the banker, and this person, another person 122 IQ, he is the Nobel Prize winner for his novel. So IQ doesn't matter, we have the sufficient IQ, so we don't have to bother about the IQ. What is the main thing is the imagination. If we are the researcher engineers, the imagination is the more thing, how we can imagine and how we can do that. IQ may be that it is the that things what you can do in a faster way. So we have so many devices, computer and so many other devices that will do the things for you in a faster way. So what you have to do, what to do, your imagination is more important here. Okay, the another thing is what the consistency. As per my drawback is what previously was that I am not consistent in any other work. So what in childhood we have this story that slow and steady always win. But whether this is a complete statement, Professor Karmarkar has given one story, and I found out the animation for that story. So this is what the complete story for this story will complete this statement. So this is 4-minute video. You please enjoy this.
Once upon a time, a turtle and a rabbit had an argument about who was faster. They decided to settle the argument with a race. The turtle and the rabbit both agreed on a route and started off the race. The rabbit shot ahead and ran briskly for some time. Then, seeing he was far ahead of the turtle, he thought he'd sit under a tree for some time and relax before continuing the race. He sat under the tree and soon fell asleep. The turtle, plodding on, overtook him and soon finished the race. Emerging as the undisputed champ, the rabbit woke up and realized that he'd lost the race. The moral of the story is that slow and steady wins the race. This is the version of the story that we've all grown up with. But our version of the story continues. The rabbit was disappointed at losing the race, and he did some thinking. He realized that he'd lost the race only because he had been overconfident, careless, and lax. If he had not taken things for granted, there's no way the turtle could have beaten him. So, he challenged the turtle to another race. The turtle agreed. This time, the rabbit went all out and ran without stopping from start to finish. He won by several miles. The moral of the story? Fast and consistent will always beat the slow and steady. It's good to be slow and steady, but it's better to be fast and reliable. But the story doesn't end here. The turtle did some thinking this time and realized that there's no way he can beat the rabbit in a race the way it was currently formatted. He thought for a while and then challenged the rabbit to another race, but on a slightly different route. The rabbit agreed. The turtle and rabbit started off. In keeping with his self-made commitment to be consistently fast, the rabbit took off and ran at top speed until he came to a broad river. The finishing line was a couple of kilometers on the other side of the river. The rabbit sat there, wondering what to do. In the meantime, the turtle trundled along, got into the river, swam to the opposite bank, continued walking, and finished the race. The moral of the story? First, identify your core competency, and then change the playing field to suit your core competency. The story still hasn't ended. The turtle and rabbit by this time had become pretty good friends, and they did some thinking together. Both realized that the last race could have been run much better. So, the turtle and rabbit decided to do the last race again, but to run as a team this time. They started off, and this time, the rabbit carried the turtle till the riverbank. There, the turtle took over and swam across with the rabbit on his back. On the opposite bank, the rabbit again carried the turtle, and they reached the finishing line together. Both the turtle and rabbit felt a greater sense of satisfaction than they felt earlier. The moral of the story? It's good to be individually brilliant and to have strong core competencies, but unless you're able to work in a team and harness each other's core competencies, you'll always perform below par, because there will always be situations at which you'll do poorly and someone else does well. Teamwork is mainly about situational leadership, letting the person with the relevant core competency for a situation take leadership. And that is the end of the story.
I think this story has conveyed a lot. So basically, that as an individual, or if I had to correlate this with the researcher
obviously we have so many plus points, so many minus negative points. So where we are good, that we have to utilize first, and what are the points or what are the areas we are not better, we have to take a help, and then we have to develop that points. So that way it is what the continuous process may be in a group of the people, what we have to enjoy. So always the researcher, they encourage for the discussion with the other researcher, with the other people, so that we can learn the thing and we can utilize this for. So anybody want to put up any comment on this? Anyone from this side? I have not received any comment. Anything you want to add? Okay, that is sufficient. Okay. So here consistency is the main thing. If you lag by one day, it will put you in a 1 week behind, because what it is what if you are working on any problem, so it is giving multiple answers or multiple choice. If you are able to control one parameter, they will reflect on the other parameter. So here it is simply as a chain, means 1 is divided into 2, 2 is divided into 4, 4 is in a multiple. So if you will do that, for a simple example, if you will do this chain, so at the level of 14, 15, suppose if I will say that I have given one problem, you will work on that, it will result into 2 further subdivision, and every division will be further result into the further multiple double division. Means if simple example, if I will give 1 rupee to you today, suppose theoretical, hypothetical, not practical. Tomorrow I will give 2 rupees. Third day I will give double of that, 4 rupees, and the next day I will give 8 rupees. So that's why if you will double this process, this is theory of compounding. If you will work it out for maybe 20 days or 30 days, you will just do these things by your own. Whatever the final amount will come into lakhs of rupees. If I will do this for 20 days, so it will come to 13-14 lakh rupees. If we will do it for 30 days, so it will come to more. So what I mean to say, based on that, if you are working on any problem, research problem, it will bifurcate, not necessarily that into 2 parts, it will bifurcate into multiple parts, and every problem again it will bifurcate into multiple parts. So it is the level. When you will work on that, it will bifurcate into the so many parts. So at the last, you will have the thousands of problems or thousands of parameters that you have to address in your conclusion or in your result and discussion. So you have to take care about all this, and this is what why there is bifurcation, that if I work on these parameters, so what it result into affect on these 2 parameters. If I work on further this parameter, it affects on the further parameter, and so on and so on and so on. So the consistency is important here, because this is what the continuous thought process. If hundreds of parameters, hundreds of things altogether you are tackling by doing the research, and you have to club all this, you have to integrate all these things, and you have to put your comment, your conclusion on all these things. So if you are consistent, then it will work fast. It will be, the thinking process will be fast, and you will get the outcome. If there is a gap, then you will forget that what we are that thinking pattern and thinking way you will follow. So consistency is the main thing, that what I learned. So that's why in a shorter period that I am able to complete my PhD by the consistency remark from my guide, that you have to consistently work. Otherwise, if you will have to do your PhD, you have to consistently work. If you will think, okay, ठीक है, कल करेंगे, परसों करेंगे, then years of year, you are not able to finish that work. So consistency is the very much important parameter for doing any work, especially the research work. The another most important point is the focus. This is what the statement that we have to understand. So, like computer, we are doing so many things in a multitasking. But if you are focused on one thing and say no to the other good things, so that is what focus means. So if you will do your research with very focused way, then you are able to reach a destination or whatever you are required or desire of. So this is what the most important thing. And the another thing, this is what most important. This is the thing what Professor Phatak has consistently explaining or telling or discussing on these things from IIT Bombay. That is what belief that I am unique. If you see externally, we all people are different. No person is similar to other in any aspect. Externally, so how we can think that internally we are similar? So why we are making comparison with somebody else? As your positive, negative points, as your entire personality is unique, so to whom you have to compare? You have to compare with yourself only. So in latest, I think last month I have just gone through the interview on NDTV by the scientists, though they are involved in Mangalyaan. So one scientist, what he says that he has done excellent work. So what he has told, what is the basic funda? He told that my father told me that you must have some increment, some improvement in your life in all the aspects or whatever the aspects you will decide as compared to yesterday. Suppose yesterday I had done something in any particular task, so I had to be better than yesterday today. So every day, every week there should be some incremental development. So we have to have this consistent development with reference to myself only. Reference is with reference to me, because I may be good in something, I may be bad in something. So I have to have continuous improvement in something. The best example by our principal that I was very happy with, I were there in IIT Bombay, and the examiner for my ME student was from IIT Bombay, and he appreciated the thesis writing very well and all this. And then I came and discussed these things with our principal that the examiner has appreciated the thesis writing and all these things very well, and what we are doing, that is bad. So he listened all the things and then he replied, but still there is scope for improvement. So that time I realized that मुझे appreciate नहीं किया, but this is what the true thing. If I say that okay, this is what the best thing what I had done, then I'll have that this is what the final destination for me or my student. But if I'll have believed that every thing, whatever it is, always there is scope for improvement. So if you'll have, because Lata Mangeshkar still says that yes, I am a student of music, I am learning the music. So that's why she is at that place. So if she says that yes, I know the music entirely, so she might not be at that place. Sachin Tendulkar, every time, that in you people are more aware about the things regarding the cricket and all this, my knowledge is very poor. So Sachin Tendulkar, what always he discussed this after every match with his brother, what technically what should be the shot and how it should be, whether it is correct or not, and great debate. So if you will have the things in that way, if you will have the set of mind that every time we will have the scope for improvement for each and everything, then obviously you will be better as compared to the yesterday. So we must have belief, and again we are doing this, but unfortunately we are comparing with somebody else. So if we will compare somebody else, then we will reach there and we will stop there. So don't compare with somebody else, you compare with yourself, where I was there in yesterday and where I am and today in everything. So you must have the strong belief that I am unique. Okay, so everybody must have the belief on that. If your belief is there, then you will be the better researcher. and you will have the unique way of thinking. Obviously you have, but you have to realize. And the last point is this: enjoy every moment of life. Again by Professor Phatak.